my first video. Hey guys, what up? It's me. Welcome to my first video. Today I'm just gonna be playing some TF2 because I like the game. I'm here with my friend. He's on Discord, but you can't hear him because well, you might be able to hear him, but I'm not sure. Okay, so we're just gonna be playing some casual. I'm not the best at the game though. Okay, so let's see how long this takes. My friend is off, and also you might hear some chatter in the background of me talking to my friend, but it doesn't really matter to me. Okay, so while we're waiting, I just remind you to please, oh, there it is, please subscribe, please ring the bell icon, whatever, normal YouTuber stuff. Just a sec. I wonder where we're gonna go. Oh, Turbine. Okay, just a sec. Okay. I understand how to play. I'm just gonna go random. Ooh, Pyro. I'm gonna do this, Turbine. Oh, yeah. Okay. What I'm gonna be doing today is a little thing that I do sometimes. Is every time I die, I have to randomize myself, and it's a bit. Oh yeah, I got a kill, but then I got instantly mowed down by the. Okay, looks like we're just gonna be randomizing. Mhm. Okay, let's just wait for me to respawn. Okay, now I'm Demo Man. As you can see, I've got Demo Knight equipped, and I'm not a very good Demo Knight. Yeah, see, I died instantly because I hate Demo Knight. Well, I don't know why I have him equipped. Oh, Scout. No, Scout. Scout is like the worst class in the game. I hate Scout. Oh, yep, I've got my friend here. I hate him. Okay, randomizer. Sniper. 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 God. Okay, as you can see, I'm sniping now, and I'm okay at sniper. Okay, I've got some. Aww. I mean, that was a body shot. Oh, it was a medic. Medic. Ooh, engineer. yeah, I'm gonna get mowed down instantly. So as you can see, I brought in the the what's it called? I can't remember. The gunslinger and the gunslinger, so I can. I don't know why I brought the gunslinger and the. Who? Who is? Oh. Ha! Huh. Lol, my friend just got kicked from the game. Okay, so I forgot to random. I'm okay at heavy. God, that was not good. That was not good. Oh, soldier. Now, soldier's one of my mains. I have two mains. I'm doing random. Oh, I didn't know I had that equipped. Damn it, that was the worst soldier thing okay, that's it. I've had enough. I'm doing spy. This is not going good. Ah, I didn't mean to do that. What? A spy? God damn it. This is the worst game ever. I'm just gonna. Actually, nah. I'm being a team player. I'm becoming medic. Medic is gonna be the best because I'm okay at medic because he's easy. He's like the easiest person. Oh, we got destroyed. Ooh. As you can see, I'm pretty new. I'm only level 9. You might see there's people who are like level 90 million, like this guy. My friend is here. He's a level minus 70 million because he's bad. Yeah, he's bad. I think I'm gonna play one more game and then end the recording because um just a sec. Okay, just a sec. I was checking on my recordings. Okay, let's go random. Sniper, fine. As you can see, I'm a free to play. I don't really buy anything. Mmm. Ugh. Still very bad. Very, very, very bad. Oh, I didn't see what I was gonna be. Ooh, a soldier. Again. God, they just bombarded me with bullets. Uh... Oh, demo. I don't know. God, what are they doing? How are they so good? Okay, how about... I'm gonna change that to the rocket launcher that we got from the Pyro update. There we go. This has been a terrible game for me, but at least I got one kill. Oh, I'm going okay with this one. Damn it, that was going good. I'm gonna continue playing Pyro because I like him and he's good. Okay, let's get on. Apparently Pyro is my, the guy I'm gonna be playing today. Ah, that one wasn't as good as the last one. The last one was still pretty good. It seems we have a lot of free to plays this game. One. Okay. Feel like I have to. Yes, I am. Okay, I'm just gonna go in full. I'm going all the way. Why did he stop feeling me? Oh, okay, there's a turret there. Okay, once this ends, I feel like I've had enough with the video, but we still got something. We got a chance. Wait,